Hey guys. Okay, I'm actually gonna do the damn video. This is volume 1. OZU tries strange Japanese snacks while in Japan. This is the Pringles grilled half chicken potato chip. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot because there was actually 3 that I found. There was the cheese gratin, jalapeno and onion, and grilled half chicken, which, as I remarked then, I don't see how that could be any different than grilled whole chicken, but we're gonna try these things out and see what me thinks. There we go. All right, here we are. Don't do me wrong, baby. I love the aftertaste. Yep, they're good. One versus a stack. You know how sometimes you use stack of things and it's better, but these are fine and everything, but don't eat 4 at once because then it actually just tastes like shitty Oscar Mayer, like sliced processed chicken. But if you eat one, come on. Well, you don't have to eat it like that, but yeah, definitely better. I'm going to give us a difference also between having 2 slices of the processed chicken on your sandwich and just grabbing the whole fucking pack and just So anyway, that's it. These were cool. Thanks for voting. See you next time.